What's up, family? This is your boy Ivan Hall, the Credit King. Here's how to file a complaint with the CFPB. The Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, CFPB, is a federal government agency that helps consumers with financial issues, including complaints about financial products and services. If you have a complaint about a financial product or service, you can file a complaint with the CFPB. Here's an overview of the process for filing a complaint with the CFPB. Gather information. Before filing a complaint, it's important to gather all the relevant information about the financial product or service that you have an issue with. This should include the name of the company, account number, transaction dates, and any other relevant details. Submit complaints through the CFPB website. The easiest way to file a complaint is through the CFPB's website. You can file your complaint online by visiting www.consumerfinance.gov/complaint and filling out the complaint form. The complaint form will ask for your personal information, as well as details about the financial product or service that you are complaining about. Submit complaint by phone. You can also file a complaint by phone by calling the CFPB's toll-free number at 1-800-55-411-CFPB, 2372. When you call, a representative will ask you a series of questions about your complaint and will take your information. Submit complaint by mail. If you prefer to file a complaint by mail, you can send a written complaint to the CFPB at Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, P.O. Box 4503, Iowa City, Iowa 52244. Follow up on your complaint. Once you've submitted your complaint, the CFPB will review it and may ask for additional information. You will receive a complaint number, which you should keep as you may need it to check on the status of your complaint. The CFPB will also forward your complaint to the company and ask them to respond. After that, you will receive an update on what actions were taken and the steps they took. It's important to note that while the CFPB cannot resolve every complaint, it will take steps to ensure that your complaint is reviewed and that the company receives the information they need to respond. The CFPB also use complaints to identify patterns and potential issues with financial products and services, which can help them take action to protect consumers. Additionally, it is worth keeping in mind that the CFPB handles specific types of complaints, such as credit cards, mortgages, and student loans. In addition, the CFPB does not handle every type of financial service and product. For example, it does not handle complaints about banks and credit unions, check cashing services, or securities and commodities trading. If your complaint falls outside of CFPB's jurisdiction, you may need to contact other organizations or agencies. For more credit tips, credit hacks, and credit repair secrets, subscribe to our YouTube channel or visit us online at thecreditking.com.